Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management. Then click on Sales. Go to Process. Then to Quotation. Select any currency. Select any customer. Select any sales representative. Write remarks. Click on Add New. Select any item you want. Select your unit type as required. Add quantity as required. Add unit price as required. Select any VAT. Go to Save Quotation and click on Save and Index. Quotations refer to the most recent sale price of a stock, bond, or any other asset traded.